equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of decoding the screen code on your Dell XPS. This is essential for troubleshooting display issues and ensuring your laptop functions optimally. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. These tools will help you safely open your device without causing any damage. Begin by powering off your Dell XPS and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards while you work on your laptop. Once it's powered down, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. There are typically around 8 to 10 screws, so ensure you have them all removed before proceeding. Next, take the plastic spudger and gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. Once the back panel is off, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the screen connector. This is usually a flat cable that connects the display to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by pulling it straight out. It's important to handle this component with care to avoid any damage. With the screen connector removed, you can now check the screen code. This code is often printed on a label attached to the screen itself. Take a moment to clean the area around the screen connector with your microfiber cloth to ensure there's no dust or debris that could interfere with the connection. If you find that the screen code indicates a problem, don't worry. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you identify the issue and provide a solution tailored to your needs. Once you've noted the screen code, reconnect the screen connector by pushing it back into place. Ensure it's secure before reassembling your laptop. Replace the back panel and screw it back into position, making sure all screws are tightened properly. Finally, power on your Dell XPS and check if the display is functioning correctly. If you continue to experience issues, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. Before you proceed with any repairs, remember to request a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs and services. By following these steps, you can decode your Dell XPS screen code and troubleshoot any display issues effectively. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in maintaining your device's performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.